Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market. Today is 24th of May and we will continue to talk about the euro. Start from the daily time frame. It's I suppose, very familiar picture for you. Well, what do we see currently? Well, this is our long time desirable target of the potential momentum trade on the weekly time frame. Probably we should stop to talk about it, but currently we still have some hope and some possibility that still market could reach it. So that's why I just want to show you this target, this 618 resistance from the whole swing to the downside. This is the very probable target of the momentum trade. It's 145.85 on in terms of the futures quartz. On the spot forex it could be just a bit higher. Well, what we see here currently. First of all, this is our weekly conference support that we have discussed during the couple of weeks already, 139.89, 140.56, and market looks like find some support here. First of all, look at this price action. Plunge to the downside, market trying to break this area, moved back. Also, take a look, this green line is the weekly pivot point. Weekly pivot support one rather. 140.44. Market pierced it, moved back. The same, at least till now, in the current trading session. Pierced it, move back. So this currently is also in the inside day to this one. Okay, so this is the sign of support. Also take a look that market has accomplished this recent ABC top pattern. Okay, target 139.64. This is, by the way, very close to the 618 target on the 4-hour chart, on the intraday chart. From this is on the 4-hour chart some shallow retracement, and the market also almost has reached 1618 target from the initial thrust, initial ABC pattern. Well, the most important usually the initial ABCs and the most recent ABCs. So currently this kind of agreement, weekly pivot support and weekly confluence support, Fibonacci support area. So market stands at rather strong support, and this is the last suitable area from which market could start this momentum trade to this target. If this will not happen and market accelerates to the downside, then I suppose that we should not expect reaching of this area anymore, at least due to the scenario that we have expected during the scenario of the momentum trade. Okay, so currently market stands at crucial area in terms of this potential trade. Now let's shift to the 4-hour chart and discuss the previous trading plan that we have developed on the weekend. So let's see. Our expectation was as follows. First of all, we should watch for this area 140.44. I said that if market will break this area to the downside and accelerates, then possibly we should forget about the potential trade to this target. But this very often happens when market breaking some area, some line above it. Okay, so that has happened. This was the parallel channel. Okay, market has break it to the upside. I said very often market could retest it from the other side, that is called kiss goodbye, and continue move to the upside. Okay, although this usually happens during the strong breakouts, well, some strong levels, but possibly here we see what we see. Okay, this is the same target, the same ABC pattern, ABC top. Here market has hit pips to pips, almost pips to pips, 100% expansion target of this ABC pattern, and now market has moved above the weekly pivot support one. So I do not, I can tell currently what that move is. So maybe this is just a retracement, maybe this is just ABC retracement from this swing to the downside. I don't know. Well, probably market will show some retracement and then accelerates to the downside. So also take a look that 4-hour trend still bearish, 4-hour trend bearish. So what we could do currently? to sell right now, I think that's not a good idea, because market stands at some support, market move above the pivot support, market has bounced from this trend line, and below the market the strong area of weekly support. So I think that if you're bearish, you should wait for some greater pullback and to see clear signs that this is just a retracement. Let's shift to the hourly chart, it will become clear to you. Well, here is our thrust to the downside. If you're bearish, look at this. This could be just A, B, C bottom, D, A, B, C, D retracement, somewhere to 149.30 area, somewhere like right here. So if you are bearish, wait for some clear patterns in this area. This probably will be some FIB resistance from this swing down, okay? Probably 3-8 resistance. You can try to sell from the agreement with the stops just above the weekly pivot point. This could be logical, because if market really accelerates to the downside and this is just ABCD retracement, you will have the excellent risk-reward trade. Okay, if you are wrong, this loss will be not very big. This is just about the 40-50 pips. Okay, now the more delicate situation and more nuanced with the current probable reversal to the target of the weekly momentum trade. Look at this. What do we have? Hourly trend bullish. We see nice thrust to the downside. I said watch for some bull patterns in this area when the market has hit this support line, weekly pivot support. Okay, also take a look at this pattern. A, B, C top, market has hit 100% expansion right here. And here yesterday I have announced that on the forum, this is hourly double repo buy pattern. So now I have the long position right here, but I already moved my stop to the break even somewhere right here around 140.13 area, somewhere right here. Well, why? Because in general this move is not very impressive to me. Well, although it could move and move and move and move, who knows how it will turn. But in general, this is the first retracement after the solid plunge to the downside. Market could show some deep retracement to the downside, deep reversals, or maybe even this just, as I said, A, B, C, D retracement, the market could turn to continuation. Who knows? So, my thought is, if you have the bull position due to this signal and due to our trading plan that we have formed on the weekend, and we said that if you see some bullish patterns you can enter on the long side. So if you are long now, move your stop to break even and watch the move. If market will accelerate above the weekly pivot points, that's great. Then possibly we can expect move to 145.60 area. If not, if market will stop somewhere around this area, 141.30, 141.50 below the weekly pivot point and continue move to the downside, then this is just the thrust and ABCD retracement, and this will be continuation to the downside. Market currently not at oversold on the daily time frame, so it's nothing. There's no barriers to stop move market to lower, except the FIB support and different support lines. So, and these lines already has been tested by the market. So market, if it intends to continue move to the downside, it should not show some very strong move to the upside, especially above the weekly pivot point. That should not happen. If market will stop somewhere in this area and reverse to downside, probably we should search for the possibility to enter short, and that's why the establishing some long positions right from this, right from the market, it's a bit dangerous. Okay. Well, although you can try it, but this is not very suitable situation because this move not impressive. So that being said, if you're long, hold a position and move your stop to break even. If you do not have a position, wait for the clear signals. If you're bearish, I suppose you should track the area between 141.30, 141.92. If market will stop there, then possibly we can enter on the short side of the market. If market will accelerate to the upside, then probably this is the start of the momentum trade, and we could see move to 145.60 area. Well, currently it's a bit blurring situation. It's nothing clear yet, so be careful and watch the market closely.